Just got from work and I stopped at my mailbox, I opened it, and guess what I found there? Today's 10th, I never received my BOXYCHARM so early in the month. I think the earliest was 13th. So awesome, I can't wait to open it and see what I got. Because I was kind of following what we're getting, but I didn't see people, I didn't watch any videos who already received those because I just wanted to have surprise. The theme is Galaxy Glow. And let's just see what we got. For Cosmetic, I got Pop Up Palette Mini and Blush Golden Refill. Let me see. Oh, great! So I really like Z palettes. This is my Z palette. Oh, it opens this way. I never had anything that opens this way. Makes it even more exciting. I really think it's cool. It's very neutral and I think will be great for every day. The only thing, I think lately, every single month, like getting palette with a blush, I think I collected so many blushes now. But you know, it's still a very nice brand, I never tried it, I just wanted something else, but it's how it goes when you order and you don't know what you get. You can get something that you already have. But I don't have exact this color, exact this brand, so that makes it a little better. Okay, let's see what's next. Cover Fix, I love Cover Fix, and it is Shimmer Veil. Just the other day I was at Ulta and I actually picked up this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, and I was looking and just kind of thinking it's great. And guess what? We got it. Here we go. My color is amethyst, whatever how you say it. Sorry guys. I'll just swatch it for you. It's very, very pigmented and it's very pretty. Okay, next. Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. And it's nice, it has a rose and it's really pretty. The only thing, I have so many of those pencils and I would say I just don't use them as much as I use just a liquid eyeliner, but I think I have to give them a try because I collected so many of them. This one is very silky, I think it will be great, I just need to start using it. My next, it is Pure Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Okay, just sounds really good. And the last thing, it is Crown Pro Trio Brush Set. Oh, they're super cute. I love the color. They are amazingly soft. It's very nice set. I really like the color and I so wanted to keep it. But guys, if you would see over here, I have tons of brushes and some of them I already just cannot use. I think it would be nice just maybe to save, and when friend had a birthday, I would have present. I will buy something else and then I will have this extra. I think that would be a good idea. So I think that's what I will do with my brush set. Guys, I really love this February box. I think it was really great. And before I would say bye, I want to try out this eyeshadow. I just hope you see it's really, really pretty. It's standing out and glowing and shining. It does everything. Wow, I'm ready for the night, I think. My husband should ask me on a date tonight because my eyes looks amazing. If I would choose my favorites from this box, I would say it's this Eyeshadow Cover Fix. They did a great job and I am lately really into liquid eyeshadow. I think it's really fast, easy and glowy. I am super excited. Guys, please make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you got in your BOXYCHARM in February. And also please let me know what color you got of this Color Fixed eyeshadow. I just curious what other people got. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the unboxing and spoilers and makeup videos, and so we can keep in touch this way. And if you think this video was fun to watch, please put thumbs up and have a great weekend. See you soon, next week.